What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Lisa's Food Addiction. It's your girl Lisa, and I am back with another bomb recipe for you. As you can see, we are making wings today, y'all. I am showing you guys how to make my crispy, juicy, sweet, and spicy honey barbecue jerk wings, y'all, that will have you feeling all of the island vibes, okay? Let me tell y'all, these wings right here are straight 10 out of 10, okay? They're crispy and seasoned on the outside, juicy on the inside. The sauce has all the honey barbecue notes, and then you get hit with that hot and spicy Jamaican jerk seasoning. The sauce is sweet, spicy, and sticky, and it coats the wings perfectly, y'all. This recipe is so good, and you know I can't wait to show you guys how to make it. So before we get started, y'all already know the drill. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the foodie family. Y'all, our family is growing and growing, honey, and I am so thankful. Welcome all of my new subscribers and all of my original foodies. Thank you for kicking it with your girl. If this is your first time coming across my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get into the video, y'all. Okay, you guys, to get started on these honey barbecue jerk wings, we are going to start with our barbecue sauce, y'all. So we're going to go ahead and grab some ginger, fresh ginger, and some fresh garlic. We're going to make a paste, you guys, out of the ginger and garlic to add into our barbecue sauce. It's going to give a lot of fresh notes to complement that spicy jerk seasoning. I'm using my NutriBullet here, quick and easy. Y'all know I love a quick and easy trick, okay? You can also use a food processor, and you just want to make sure that this is blended well, honey, into a fine paste and that it is not too chunky, because that is not what we're trying to do, okay? Once that is blended, we are going to start on our actual barbecue sauce, you guys. So to a pot, we're going to go in with some ketchup, some yellow mustard, and some Worcestershire sauce, which is a good base for any barbecue sauce. And guys, all of the ingredients and measurements will be posted in the description box below. Okay, now it's time to add the spice, baby. It's time for that heat. We are using Walkerswood hot and spicy Jamaican jerk seasoning. Now y'all, I love the heat. I live for it, okay? If someone gives me some jerk chicken, some jerk shrimp, I'm expecting to taste the heat, okay? So because of that, I am going with the hot and spicy seasoning. They also have mild, you know, if you don't like the spice, child, you can definitely turn it down a bit. That is completely up to you. Okay, we're going to add that right in there along with our fresh ginger and garlic paste. Now it's time to sweeten it up a bit. So we got our spice in there, y'all. Y'all know we got to balance, honey. We're going to go in with some honey, and we're also going to go in with some grandma's original molasses. Okay, looked like grandma knew what she was doing. She was in her bag with this one, y'all. Adding those molasses and give her a good mix. Put your back into it, baby. Make sure this is mixed very well. I went ahead and tasted mine, and I said, girl, you need a bit more spice in there. I heated up a bit more, so I added a little bit more of the jerk seasoning. Then we're going to go in with a little bit of white sugar and some brown sugar. Okay, you guys, now it is time to finish up our barbecue sauce. So we're going to go in with a little bit of smoked paprika, some chili powder, onion and garlic powder, just to really amp up that barbecue flavor. And don't forget, guys, all of the ingredients and measurements will be posted in the description box below. Next, we are adding in some liquid smoke, you guys. This right here is really going to add that smoky grill type flavor to the barbecue sauce. You can also use this on burgers, hot dogs, your steak. It's a really good secret ingredient when you're not able to smoke or grill outside. So we're going to go ahead and add in that liquid smoke in there. And lastly, we're going to add a sprinkle of salt and pepper to your taste, of course. Give that baby a good mix, and we're going to sit this over about medium heat, medium high heat, depending on your pot and your stove. And we're going to let this simmer, you guys, for at least about 20, 25, 30 minutes-ish. It's gonna reduce down and get very thick and sticky, just like this right here. Y'all, look at that sauce. Ooh wee, she looks so good, y'all. This sauce is the bomb, okay? Once it has reduced down, then we're gonna go in with a squeeze of fresh lime to really add that fresh flavor to complement that spiciness from the jerk seasoning, and to add a little bit of acid to lighten up the sauce, okay? Once you have added in the lime juice, go ahead and give it a good mix, and we're just gonna keep it warm over low heat, y'all, with the lid over our pot until our wings are done, but this sauce is so delicious, you guys. It's fresh, it's sweet, and it's spicy, sticky. The texture is perfect, and it coats the wings amazing, okay? It really is the perfect balance between barbecue and jerk. This can be used on chicken thighs, chicken legs, salmon, shrimp, whatever your heart desires, y'all. I hope y'all give it a try because it's definitely a 10 out of 10, okay? Okay, you guys, our sauce is done. Now we're gonna get started on our chicken wings, y'all. So we're gonna preheat our oil. I'm just using vegetable oil today, you guys, to 350 degrees. While that's heating up in our fryer, we're gonna go ahead and season our chicken. So we have the usual suspects, guys. Here for seasoning, we got some garlic and onion powder. We're gonna go in with smoked paprika, a little pinch of accent. Now, accent is definitely optional. I get it. If you guys do not want to use it, feel free to leave it out. I just like how it helps amp up the flavor, so I'm just going to add a bit in there. And we're also going to go in with some Lawry seasoning salt and also hit this with a little sprinkle of salt and pepper to taste, and that is it, you guys. We're going to give this a good mix to get all of those seasonings coating our chicken, honey. We want these wings to be flavored, okay? Good in seasoning, y'all. All right, so this is what she's looking like right here. Super seasoned, you guys, and super flavorful. Next, we're going to hit our wings with a little bit of cornstarch, and cornstarch is going to give the wings that crispy exterior that we all love. I don't know about y'all, but I hate having wings and just biting into soggy skin. Oh baby, ain't nobody want that. No ma'am, no sir, okay? So the cornstarch is going to give us that crispy exterior that we all love, and when we bite in, it's going to be super crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside, okay? So this is what our wings are looking like. We got the seasonings, the cornstarch, and our oil has already heated up. We're gonna place our wings into the fryer. I'm using my deep fryer. Y'all know I love a good deep fryer, okay? And we're gonna let these cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, y'all. Let them cook for a good 5 minutes, take them up, shake them around a bit, and then put them down for 5 more minutes. And once they are done, they are gonna look just like this right here. I told y'all that crispy exterior happens from the cornstarch. Look at that, baby. You can get that fork, honey, and scrape it and hear that crust. That's how you know we're good to go, okay? And I did this in 2 batches, y'all, so I went ahead and put in my second batch because you know we don't like to overcrowd the deep fryer. That's going to prevent our fry from being perfect and crispy. Go ahead and split that up into 2 batches, and when it is done, it's going to look just like this right here, y'all. These wings honestly by themselves are 10 out of 10, okay? Before we even toss them in that sauce, that's how you know we ain't coming to play, all right? You can eat these wings naked with no sauce, or of course you can go ahead and toss them in that amazing honey barbecue jerk sauce. All right, we're gonna go ahead and grab a mixing bowl, y'all. I grabbed my little silver mixing bowl here, guys. I like to use this when I make wings at home. You know, make me feel like I'm at Wingstop, child, like I'm actually, you know, a professional wing maker, honey. So I dropped my wings in the bowl, added some of that honey barbecue jerk sauce, gave it a few tosses and a few flips, honey, and bada bing, bada boom. This is what she looking like right here, y'all. Super delicious. These wings are bomb. 10 out of 10. Like I told y'all, this entire video, y'all, it's just, this is where it's at, okay? The sauce is sweet and spicy, sticky. You got that heat from the jerk seasoning. Then we added in those additional seasonings and some fresh lime juice to give it that great acidity. The wings are super crispy. Ain't nothing soggy over here, child. And they juicy on the inside because we gave it that perfect cook, y'all. Go ahead and grab a plate and look at that, y'all. She looking so good. This is the shot right here. Y'all see the sauce drizzling all over the top, baby. This is something that should be made for your family. Football weekends, football nights. Go ahead and get this going in the kitchen. Everybody is going to love it. They are so delicious, you guys. All I did was added those wings to a nice plate right here. Add some more of that honey barbecue jerk sauce on top. And y'all know I like to get a little fancy schmancy, you know what I'm saying? Add a little razzle dazzle. So I had a few lime slices that I added to the plate as well. Top that with a little bit of green onions and of course some more of that honey barbecue jerk sauce. And y'all, this is good to go. She ready. We are done. We did that, y'all. Look at how delicious that is. The perfect stack of wings. Y'all, we got Wingstop at home. We got Buffalo Wild Wings at home. Okay, this is definitely what you need. 10 out of 10. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you enjoyed cooking and hanging out with your girl. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Please, please, please try out this recipe. You will not be disappointed, okay? If you're new and you want to cook with us, it's easy, y'all. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button, and you might as well go ahead and subscribe to join our growing foodie family. Welcome all of my new foodies. Thank you so much for joining the growing foodie family. I see all of the love, all of the comments, and I appreciate it so much. I love you guys, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.